Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hope you're doing fantastic. It's anyway the watch. It should be somewhere around 10. It's morning. Okay, it's morning. So actually, what happened is today's weather. Morning it was completely cozy because outside it was completely foggy till around 9 a.m. and right now it's cloudy. No, it's giving some winter kind of vibes. But you know the temperature, it's like usual. And in Dakshina Kannada, max to max, it might fall till 18. But now it's not 18, okay? It's somewhere around 25 to 24 degrees. From past 2 days, we were planning, we in the sense, along with my family, we were planning to go on a short trip. Not a short trip, go on a trip, okay? While planning, we went to Goa, Dandeli, Mysore, Kundapur, etc. places. And then finally, we are going to a usual place because as we started planning, the days got reduced and finally we had no option. Like tomorrow I have to go to college, I have classes tomorrow, so we had to shorten our distance, like shorten our plans. So finally we are going to a usual place, Madikeri. Maybe I didn't show you people Madikeri in my vlogs, but yeah, we usually go to Madikeri, like it's the closest hill station. So yeah, we are good to go, and actually we have to go to pick our one more family is coming with us. That's my uncle and aunt. So we are going over there and picking them, and then we will go. So guys, not sure whether they are coming or not, but maybe my cousin is coming from here. And then yeah, we are half the way here in Atkar right now. Like all shops in here have that name Atkar. Just look at it here, over here again. So guys, we have reached at Dubai. It's completely crowded over here. Last time when we came to this place, it was not this crowded, but right now it's completely crowded over here. Like there are a lot of people, man. So we need to get the tickets. So my dad have gone over there to get the tickets, and yeah, we'll be going in the boat.
You talk until we can't no more. You know, like I found you for. Track of the time now, the moment is right now.
So we just got the tickets, and it seems like the driver of this boat is not there. He went to have the food, it seems. So yeah, we are waiting for him right now. So yeah, we are asked to remove our shoes, and yeah, okay. Wearing the life jackets.
Feels like you're mine now, no need to pretend how.
So yeah, we are on the boat, and we are going to row the boat.
Felt like summertime till you were gone. I fell in love with you. And now
And that is our guide. That's the spot where it's the elephant camp over there.
Sir, ಆನೆದು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 9 to 11 12 o'clock ಗಂಟೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪುನಃ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ 4 ರಿಂದ 5:30.
So that's closed right now.
can't wait for summertime. It won't be long when you come back. I love you like I do.
There's an elephant over there.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 7 kilometers ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಹೈ ಇರ್ತದ ಅಂತ.
30 feet ಹೈ ಅಬವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಮರ ಫುಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು. ಈಗ 32 ಓನರ್ಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 58 ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ಹೌದಾ? So yeah, we are done with the boat ride, and now we'll go and have some food first, and then we'll plan of going somewhere else. Actually, I have worn wood shoes, but I didn't wear socks, so shoes will get dirty right now. So it was a simple rafting, like speed rafting is during the June-July time. Since at that time the water level is going to be high, and right now water level is low, and so slow rafting, best thing for the families, I guess. So now I was planning to go on the horse. Just need to think. we are going to have our lunch and meet you guys after the lunch. So we reached that Chikli dam right now. It seems like Christmas holidays are going on right now, so that's why the crowd is high in every places right now. And yeah, that's what, and the scenes are like this. But actually, more than this structure, I'm feeling the scene, man. The scene looks beautiful. This might seem more beautiful when there is a hell lot of water, but right now water level is low, right? Right now we are going from here, everything is seen. Actually, sun is falling from the wrong direction and I have held this in the wrong direction, but I wanted that scene to come. I like these kind of sceneries, like mountain and water below down. Okay, anyhow, now we are leaving this place and going to the next spot. I don't know where we are going. So having some masala cooking.
Been talking day and night, yeah. Love like we're moving slow.
So we have come to Harangi Dam, but the dam is not open. So that's why we didn't go inside. We came down here to take some photos. So right now we have come to Nisargarama. From there directly we came over here. That's the market over here. And right now I'm going in a rope bridge, which is swinging a lot.
Track of the time now, the moment is right now. I've been here before, I've been here before. It feels like you're mine now, no need to pretend how, 'cause we're like it. It felt like summertime till you were gone. I fell in love with you. And now I can't wait for summertime, it won't be long when you come back. I love you like I do, love you like I do.
So fed the birds, literally I thought like its nail would hurt a lot, but it was fine. And while it was picking up, it was like tickling on my hands, but everything went well. It was my first time experience. So after that there was a spot in there where radios were kept, so we went there and then we left from that place and went to have some snacks, and then we returned back to our home. And you know, the low light performance of the device that I use, it's not that good. It's okay, but not that good, and that doesn't make any sense to vlog in low light. And I also want to mention one thing, that I have 2 more vlogs left to edit. I've become so lazy that even this video was shot on 27th of December and I'm uploading it now. I need to become a little bit more active. I've taken some break for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, okay, almost a month, because of which I lost my mindset to edit videos. So I need to become a little bit more active, little bit more engaging. I'll try my best, and okay, ladies and gentlemen, have a good day, enjoy life. Meet you in the next video. Boom.